You need a person in your commercial. You know, maybe you considered making one of those animated explainer videos that has words and images popping up and requires the viewers to read facts about a business, product, or service. And let me tell you, those are not very effective when compared to a professional, natural-speaking spokesperson, male or female. The spokesperson can talk to your potential clients, just like I'm talking to you, in a manner that connects to the viewer and makes them want to hear more. Now, you're probably thinking, wait, I can't afford to cast and hire a professional spokesperson. Well, yes, you can. I know I keep going back to Fiverr, and I'll happily include any other micro job marketplace in this course, but the only one I know of that's a quality site is Fiverr. It's simply the best, and it's the fastest way to get this type of work done for very affordable prices. I'm actually a Fiverr superseller spokesperson. I'm one of only 15 supersellers on the website, and I've done over 1,800 videos for clients on Fiverr. I'm in no way asking you to hire me or cast me in your video project. There are literally dozens of well-qualified spokespeople waiting to take your order and make you an awesome video. Simply go to Fiverr.com and search for video spokespeople, and you're going to see dozens of people to choose from. There are even Spanish, French, and foreign language spokespeople. So take a look at some of these great spokespeople here. You can choose from the best type of person that suits your needs if you want a younger, more relaxed look, an older, more experienced look, an attractive blonde, or even sexy twins. The choice is up to you. But before you pick your actor, I highly encourage you to choose an actor who has a green screen studio, professional lighting, and sound. Now, this is crucial to your commercial success, look, and feel. You don't want some guy or girl just talking with their camera phone with a boring brick wall or their kitchen wall in the background. And the reason I suggest that you get a green screen video made is because this will allow you to drop in whatever kind of background you want. Here, let me show you. Now here I am in my green screen studio. Now let's say I want to add in an office. How about a tropical beach? No? Well, maybe you'd like a professional looking news studio. The fact is, if you order a green screen video and save it in your video project file on your computer, you can always come back and change the background to whatever you'd like. So how much will an actor with a green screen speaking 200 words on camera cost you? Well, since I'm one of the most expensive providers on Fiverr, I charge $5 for every 20 words. We won't use me as your example. The common going rate for a green screen spokesperson is $5 for every 50 words. So assuming your script is 200 words, you're going to spend $20 on your professional Fiverr spokesperson. So between the $5 intro, the $15 script, and the $20 actor, we're at a grand total of $40. We still have $60 left in our commercials budget. You think we'll spend it all? Well, let's move on to our next section and find out.